9 food facts that will amaze you. Welcome back to our Health Lifestyle channel. Here you will find different videos offering fun facts, tips, and suggestions on how to live a healthier and happier life using natural methods and remedies. If you like what you see, be sure to click the like and share button. There is a lot of things that you don't know when it comes to food. Even some of the most common food that you have at home have some secrets of their own. Be ready to be amazed. Listed below are 9 food facts that will surely blow you away. 1. Apples and roses are related. Did you know that apples, which are juicy and sweet fruits that grow on large trees, are related to roses? Apples, pears, and quince all belong to the rose or Rosaceae family. For apples, the main ancestral species is shrouded by several cultivated variations for hundreds of years, and a few authors group them all into one single species, Malus domestica. 2. Almonds are not nuts. Everyone knows almonds, but not many have an idea that they're not nuts. Yes, you read it right. Contrary to what many people think, this popular dessert ingredient and favorite healthy snack is not a nut but a seed of the almond fruit, which grows from a tree that is much like a peach. 3. Strawberries are not really berries, but bananas are. Even though its name has berries on it, strawberries are actually not berries but bananas are. Strawberries are enlarged ends of a stem and seeds are embedded outside. This holds true for blackberries and raspberries. Therefore, if their seeds are found outside, that simply means they're not berries at all. Meanwhile, bananas are produced from a single flower that contains an ovary, have 3 distinct fleshy layers, and have at least 2 seeds rather than 1 stone. 4. Be thankful to these flies for giving you chocolate. If you are a chocolate lover, then you have to be thankful to chocolate midge flies. These tiny insects pollinate cacao trees in Asia, Africa, South America, and Central America. They can easily fit inside the small flowers of a plant because these flies are only between 1 and 3 millimeters long. 5. Pistachios can explode. Unprocessed pistachios can spontaneously combust under the right conditions. In fact, there are strict shipping codes for shipping pistachios so that they don't burst into flames. 6. Boiled potatoes are better to eat when they are cold. Boiled potatoes are best eaten when they are cold, especially if you are trying to lose weight. Cold cooked potatoes contain resistant starch. Its slow absorption rate within the small intestines encourages weight loss. 7. Ketchup used to be a medicine. Dr. John Cook Bennett added tomatoes to ketchup, which was previously made of mushrooms or fish, back in 1834. By adding tomatoes, Dr. Bennett believed that his recipe could cure rheumatism, jaundice, indigestion, and diarrhea. 8. Why do crackers have small holes? The holes in crackers are not for decoration or convenience. They allow steam to escape while the crackers are being cooked. 9. Carrots were not always orange. Carrots have been orange in color only for a few centuries. They were once in color white, bright yellow, and deep purple. Do you have any other fun food facts that you want to share? Drop a comment below and we'll add it to our list. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to our channel. Until next time. And remember, a healthy life is a happy life.